Overnight inventory is very short. Hello, welcome. Uh, I'm coming from this area here, and the whole market is being held by an extremely weak long inventory from FOMC day. I don't know what's going to happen. There's weakness in both sides. I have no idea. I am checking, or I will call monitoring, the 5730 cause I'm using this just to monitor, right? I have no intentions to do anything here. This puts, the 730 puts from today, expiring today. Or are they? No, these are expiring Wednesday. What day are we today? Oh yeah, it's expiring Wednesday. Okay, let's see if we have the same reaction from yesterday. Yesterday market open, didn't care much about the overnight. The market is doing exactly the same thing that it did yesterday. Opening right from POC and they're selling again. 57.80, 57.50. I don't like this. Let's check this 57.50. Oh, they are 80. They are $10 here. I mean, 10, not $10, 10 points. 57.60. 57.60. Why 57.60? That's M low. M low. 57.60. Short-term traders look at this. They are assuming we have a gap. The market has gap to the downside. It's not. I guess these 60 are very interesting here. Very. The market has looked below value. Now this low is very questionable. It's very questionable low here. Many things, a lot of things can happen now. I like this course here. But no for today. I may not use today, maybe tomorrow. Double thirds, I will use this 68 here, 57, 70, 14. What about this area here, 58? Yeah, 58. That's what, that can be something. Yeah, let's call this 58 here. I will put this up here. Let's have only 5 points tomorrow. I think that's cheap. I just want to monitor this. How they move here. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is in the same situation. Overnight inventory is very short. I mean 100% short. There was some absorption yesterday at the close, at the end of the day, but not too much volume really. I'm going to these are end of the weeks. FOMC high. I'm going to remove this. We know now this is this area. The market has ended one time frame higher. The lower side has a gap. You know, what is July 57, 57.22? Yeah, 57.22. 57.22 is what I call. So this level here. Oh shit! This level here can be support. Here, this is July high. Oh, why I am doing this? Because this is a breakout. It's a breakout level. This is when the market. This is what the market. This was a all-time high that was there for quite a while, for a couple months, almost. So this is just logic that this can be used as a support now. Short-term traders look at that. Now this is not looking good for the shorts now. No sir. This low is very questionable. Okay, you have the HI and the current low. All right. Plus we have this from yesterday. So the low is very questionable, very questionable. But I don't like this formation here. I have it just dries here. There's no, it's not finding sellers here. Volume is higher relative to yesterday, the opening at least. So there is something coming here. Something very interesting that happened also volume wise is the market was low all day. I mean, it started low. I was kind of similar to yesterday, and then boom, right here we have an increase here after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 has an increases volume. What the market does, doesn't do that much, right? Doesn't does that much. You just look at where it closes. Actually closes a little bit higher, but volume it just decreases at the end. Yeah? In these last two periods, it just comes. At the closing, at M, it just decreases. The run up has a really low volume now, but now the situation is different. We have a different market today. Today has just opened higher, right? In the same areas as this one here. I don't know what's going to happen. I really don't. I have no freaking idea. Now this has been taken. Now we are back in balance again. At the end, at the low of this 9-day, this will be a 10-day if this holds. It's a very questionable, man. This is low is very questionable here. This is 2 days. $57. Okay, this low has been taken. Now I don't want this market to come back here. $57.50. You are going out. It's 50. Wow, 18 points. God damn. No, there is something wrong here. Oh. What the market is doing is having some downside continuation, you know? From yesterday. It's doing this. It's a repeat. You know? Copy and paste from yesterday. We have long liquidation yesterday. Let's call this level here. This is same low. Wow, FOMC goes. What the market is doing is what matters. Now, this is yesterday. Let me take this one out of here. Puts, call puts. Okay, this is a critical level. No, just check this one. This is what holders hold in the market. FOMC and the overlay is no alignment. It's very questionable, man. Now we're getting close to this. We are stopping right at L high from this day for FOMC. This is when the market actually change during this day, during this overnight. I don't give a damn about you. Alright. There's going to be a lot of people that's going to be getting long now. Just because the market is too low. Value is lower. Yesterday value was lower all day long. Just a continuation of this day also, all day long lower. The market has breakout bias. First, another thing here. Notice what happened yesterday. Right, Rex pretty much to a tick from the trend line. Let's take a short here, do we? I think this is right at where support is. There might be some bounce here. Now this one is also going to coincide with the low of yesterday's Nasdaq. This is a quick bounce from here. The market has paid no attention to the situation of the overnight inventory. It's just going in the direction of the overlay. It doesn't give a damn. Now the gap in the lower side is at 56.70. Maybe you can check that one, but tomorrow 56.70. Have right there. I'm going to start checking that one. This can be support now. Okay, this has failed to hold the market. This can be a little bit of support here. Let me see something here. Now, I want to see if the market comes back inside. I haven't seen any trade yet. Look at this beautiful rights here. Let's see if they'll start to form. Look also at this volume that we have here. This is 2 days. I compare this to yesterday. Okay, yesterday and Monday. Okay, this is a quick bounce from this. Now let's see if there's something serious here. It's a quick bounce from, from this July high support. Okay, market may have found support here. 56.70, 5800 is too much. 57, 10. $57.50. What about this $57.50? I might take this one. I might take this shit motherfucker here. Wednesday 57. No, it's holding here. They're selling from halfback. No, let's check this laser log here. I got the 57.50. I have this one. No, let's come back to this area here. I'll just check this area here. All right. Now, this is the yeah, okay. These figures. What is? Didn't I put here M low? What the fuck? Oh yeah, this one. This one's M low. M low here. I let it go when it came around this area. I might have let it go too soon. Now this can be there can be something here. This is just a copy and paste from yesterday. When that happened, traders that's I'm getting just late to the party. Settle can be here. Now it's this also. This is a very interesting situation the market is now. Market is actually the market is in balance now. Okay, this is something hard to. How do you put this in context, right? Also, check this. This is 5 minutes. Man, this is loading too slow. Now this area here is this one. These shorts have been taken. First this was shorts. These ones have been taken now. Have been removed. Oh, they are selling. They are selling here, man. How can you sell here, brother? I mean, this area here now. This area here that was we were having volume here and two breakout from. I mean, what this breakout did, it has corrected this low here. Now we have excess in the lower side. Market is still lower. I'm still questioning this. I'm going to open FOMC. Look at this. I am using L as a reference here, because M sold from this. This was a trade on during FOMC, and this selling here, this bar failing to take this high, took the market lower and corrected this. There's tremendous amount of weakness here in the lower side. Look at what we have here. Oof, this is huge here. Around this area, 57, 56, 80. Huge here. If this area is taken, watch out, man. And also there are some blocks here, right? This is the higher block that we have here. Relative to blocks, there's something very, very obvious here at this high. Notice that the amount traded here, kind of like 5:59 p.m., about 12,000. And the same thing here yesterday, around this area, at the low of M, 12K. Yeah. Now I want to see what the heck the market does relative this inventory. I am very, very alert about this inventory. This is short. This overnight, there's a lot of short inventory here during this overnight. And something that happened also yesterday, I was checking that at the close. Okay, this is what I was checking. POC was down here, while the market was up here. I was to have something to the downside. I was, again, this is wishful thinking, right? I was expecting, how the market closes up here, up higher, right? And that. Why I thought about that? Because by doing so, look at. By doing so, POC will have remained down here, but the break that has at the close, not the break, but with the downside move, the action, the directional action to the downside. What that actually does is, moves POC a little bit higher. Now value is lower. Look at this. Value is higher. I mean, this day, right? Yesterday is lower. Now we have overlapping to yesterday. But this little tiny movement that the market had a chance to close down here, a little bit of extension would have put POC lower, you know, or hold held lower here. It didn't do it. All right, it didn't do it. And this thing that happened at the close also, yeah, man, that's what we had yesterday is just long liquidation. Another thing I'm going to monitor is this high here. Because this K high here, yeah, is the high, not the rally that we have yesterday, the recovery rally that we have yesterday. This one here. You know, there is some inventory getting short here, some rebalancing. You know, some short. Yeah, it's rebalancing. This is rebalancing. Okay. Now the action is continuous. I guess AM high. Let's call in the same way that I am checking. Oh, L high. Well, the heck is there is another. Oh, M low here. Okay. All right. I'm going to check this one too. And of course, we know where that is. But the action remains to the downside. Now, the rally that we had this year, to me, is getting old. It looks like it's getting old. I'm going to open our chart. I don't like how my chart is behaving here. It's histograms. I want to see these histograms. Let's see. This is super questionable, okay? This high is super questionable. That being said, doesn't mean it's going to be taken. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the? I can't escape. I can't stand losing. I can't stand losing you. I can't. Okay. Okay. There's something else here. It's getting very. This is being a really interesting day here. I got a bunch of charts. look at this. This is 5 minutes chart. Look at this. This is the lower line. Okay. Look at what the market has here. This is from the overnight, starting 840. There can be, if there is, watch out here. There can be a spike here. Look at this. What do you have above this one, for example? This high. Look at a bunch of stops there. I can't stand losing you. Just check your 5 minutes charts, man. That short here is very. Now it doesn't mean that it's not going to keep going lower. Remember, because that's what the market is doing now. It's just adding weakness in the lower side, but the market is the actions to the downside. But I think this is as I say, we are in this balance. Market is in balance here. I got a quick long, this 5750 calls. But what I wanted to have is some acceleration here. It didn't have it, but what it did actually is it stopped right at halfback. It stopped right at halfback. When market does that, there is some shorting that's coming. Mechanical shorts are coming from here. Usually, not usually, but sometimes, the market just take these shorts out, comes up here, for example, and then continues its way to the downside. What is the direction of the market, for example, right now? We don't have, right? If we talk if I talk just about the daily, it is there. Yeah, it doesn't. I don't have direction. Relative to yesterday, we have continuation, right? And check yesterday and before yesterday and the day before and the day before, market started going lower. Why I want to go long? Why I would like to go long here? Yeah. Now tomorrow, we have weekly jobs report. That can be something. Long-term trading looks more at that. And Friday we have I think the most important release of the week, which is non-farm payrolls. There is some profit taking in this area. Can you see here? I have realized in this area, right in this area. I will take a long here, expecting the market to go higher. Okay, expecting, that's the key word here. I am expecting. I don't know what the market is going to do. I'm not going to take a long. Okay, but if I want to do something, I want to do something once I have an idea what the market is doing. I don't know what the market is doing now. When the market was coming back here, we talk about probably the market using this July high as a short-term support, something for a quick bounce from this level. Because it's an obvious level, right? In the monthly, weekly, and daily. This is a multi-time frame reference. That's why I got that one. But the market is going lower. Now I wanted some the upside continuation, kind of like a speeding up once the market get back inside yesterday's range. It didn't have it. Now there's another thing here, right? When that happened, we actually might be seeing a trading day. Look at the volume here, right? This nice volume here, as high as Friday. As high as Monday. Okay. Now we have a direction here. Now we have direction. We have an upside day. No upside day. We have a market to the upside right now. Alright. Do you remember when we talk about this thing? All these shorts now are out. What we have after that? Maybe these ones here. But that has to remove all these shorts. That's a quick spike that we have there. Now, if there is something serious there, the market will come back through that same area. But this time will be kind of like, slow, steady way. Market hasn't get back inside M. Upside continuation. I will check this area here because these are the lows. Now that you have seen this, look at that. God damn it, I didn't see this shit. My God. I didn't see this yesterday. I should have opened. I didn't open this yesterday. Look at this, man. Oh, boy. This is very interesting. This is kind of like algorithmic trading, right? The market extends in one direction, just enough to move hard back to the low of that period. I cannot explain any other way this. Just 6 minutes into B. Look at this high, man. Right here. This was a quick trade to the downside here. I wasn't here. You know, I have my doubts here. The beta trade was a long, the buying from this level here because of the overnight inventory. Now look at, check this out, right? What this rally that we have here, I mean this directional move on B, taking these stops we have here in this 5 minutes chart, has actually what that has actually done is it has almost moved value inside. What can happen if value gets inside and traders start keep selling here and fail? I mean, just the action, the selling is not enough, right? But fail to have downside, they fail to take this level. This is support now. This level is kind of like a strategic one. I didn't welcome you. Welcome to another market update. This is ES Futures Trading. My name is Victor. I can't stand losing. I can't stand losing you, man. What I don't like when I say I expect, right? We still have like 3 or 4 more weeks before the earnings. It's not unusual to see the market stay in range, right? Having these swings from high the range to low the range, taking the low, failing to take the low, then coming back and reaching or targeting the opposite direction. the opposite side of the range. Look at Nasdaq here, for example. Look at Nasdaq here, where this high is being made. Both markets, ES and Nasdaq, both highs are questionable. Both have been bought from support. Now the markets are in sync. When markets are in sync, the movements have a tendency to have more strength. Nasdaq, look at Nasdaq going lower, going lower, going lower, and going lower. All of them are going lower, daily speaking, right? Now the intraday is another thing. The intraday also, they're doing the same thing. Higher, 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 high. All of them in sync now. All of them. Isn't that cute? I can't stand losing you. I can't stand. All them in sync, man. This is. We can have something strong here today. 57.80. We might have some. Wednesday. Market is in balance. Now, there is something from yesterday also. Market opened kind of higher, above value. That was a key as well yesterday. Value was lower all day long, but the market opened above value, and we have a selling. You have sell-off that almost, and this is the key word, almost took the low range. A came in just to here. I can say that pretty much the market single printed its way down, its way out of the previous day range, but it did not. It had the opportunity, but it did not. The same way as the market had the opportunity to take this high and making new all-time highs, same way to the downside. It did not. That's the key. It did not single print its way out of this range. Market shows. It just doesn't happen, man. I am not saying this market cannot take this low, or all of this inventory from this day. I'm not saying that, right? But that's something that it catches my attention. Yesterday. Take a mental picture of these overnights, because they're going away. Also, this low is basically selling from buying from this overnight half back. Very questionable, but it's too far back in time to be of relevance. It's not the same as buying, selling from same as it did here, for example, from over the POC. Now they try to replicate what happened yesterday. You can notice that has not been successful, but the market is lower relative to yesterday. I want to see now if we have rotation here. I don't know if this is going to be a trending day. I don't know if it's going to be a Rotational day, no idea. The high is kind of questionable. The low is also kind of questionable. We have a better low now relative to yesterday. And the most important thing, the market is back in balance. Doing that, this is the target. Okay. Comes back in balance and it may target this. But first, market has to deal with this inventory, this over the high, value the high, and this was. I guess 57.70. 57. I got a bunch of calls here. Oh, 57. Oh, I was checking the 57.80 actually. Just checking. I like this 57.50. Let's check here. 57.70. What? Tomorrow. 15. God, man. 15 points here. Today. 9 points. This is Wednesday. $5,800 also. This market are fixated in this round numbers too. How much is 5,800? 1 point is, no, I was checking that from tomorrow's, right? And come on. $6 points, yeah. It's Thursday. What the fuck, man? $58. What? E1 DB. Oh. That's too far. That's too far. It looks too far, okay? This one looks too far, but these markets have been having really wide ranges, man. I can't stand losing again. I can't stand losing again. I can't stand losing you. Look at that. Look at that. Getting back. That market is having upside continuation here. Getting back inside that range. The previous range, right? that 2, 4, 5, 6 day range. Huh? Look at that. It's right at that support level or resistance. It's coming back inside M. Something that we got to understand here, this is a dynamic business that we have here. You will find people saying that, oh, I have called it low, I have called it high. Right now, for example, me personally, I have spoken a lot of things today, about many things, about highs, lows. And I can say, oh, I call this high. Come with me, I call this high. Or I can clip something and say, oh, this is the low. It doesn't matter, man. Whatever happened doesn't matter. What happened? I mean, what matters is what is happening now. Now, the small spike that we have here, look at this is very interesting here, right? What this rally does, right? We have this. We have talked about the stops being taken from the overnight for the last part of the overnight, and the market coming back through that. If there's something more serious coming back through those stops, but this time kind of like a slowly, right? The market just did that now, but something that you can observe that here, the value was very close to being moved inside yesterday. Look at what's happened. Look at what this movement. This is very counterintuitive. Look at what this movement did. This movement actually kind of like a pull value a little bit, or push the value a little bit lower actually. Now, overnight inventory short is no more. Okay, we have some. This is a chance for the market to have a spike here about these things here. Boom. It didn't do, but there's not much here. Actually, there is something here. Most of this volume here came from A and B. And those are 4 and 4:30 p.m. yesterday. There's something here, man. There's something here. Sometimes, as I say, after these big downside movements, the market has the tendency to do some rebalancing here. The 5 minute chart is moving crazy. This has some weakness on the lower side actually. 57.40. It's just exactly hard back now. Look at this, man. This movement, just enough to move half back, kind of like about the low or the previous period. But that's something that I'm checking here. No, I was observing this. Yeah, I got this from a couple months. And who does algorithmic? The thing is, who does that kind of movement? Short-term trading, or it can be short-term trading, short-term traders, but with staying power, you know, because the ones that do algorithmic trade are those companies, right? Those funds, that's hedge funds or whatever, that can actually, hire the programming and allocate capital to do certain things. I may have an algorithmic there. May have a program to sell and buy back. How many contracts I'm going to sell? Right? One, two, maybe. Right? Is that going to have any impact in the market? No, it's not. The low is very questionable, man. 57.45, that's no good. And then we have another 57.40. Huh. If you see something, do something. 57.40 today. 57. Huh. This is good. 9 points. Seven forty. I'm going to start check that put. Market is to the upside. I have no indication how the market is going lower. All the signs are pointing to the upside. From yesterday trade to today's action, everything is pointing to the upside. Have nothing to the downside. Why? Tell me again why I pulled those 57.40s. Oh, because of the 5 minutes charts. Alright. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. Medium, high. Huh. High. Look at these beautiful reds here. Settle has been taken. Oh, look at this high. Where this high is at. POC. Exactly POC. Oh gosh, man. Oh gosh. What we have after this? Halfback. Halfback coincides with our value area high with 770. 10 points. I can't stand losing you. I can't stand losing you. Got any questions? This is something that's coming here. Can you see this volume here? This little blocks here. Somebody, some traders joining the party. Who can buy 300 contracts, for example, at once? 800 contracts in 50s. These are 50s. It's not bad. 100. They know where to buy. I'm constant losing you. Dum 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 dum. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Trading economics. Change. I like these pop-ups. It comes. No, they are not that often. Let's see if the market keeps this distribution. Keeping this distribution, this could be a sign that something stronger here. Oh, come on, man. Right, hard back, man. I don't like this. I do not like this. Yeah, good also that distribution is going to be close. Maybe towards the 50-40. Now you have something here. Okay, this high is exactly at this. I'm going to erase this. Just one tick. I can call this range. And then no, I don't have anything here. I'm just trying to find something here. When you look for something, you will find something. This is one tick from this range here. Now it's wider. That high is going to be taken. Look at Nasdaq, man. I haven't seen Nasdaq. Look at that high in Nasdaq. There's some selling that may come right above value area, Nasdaq. But check it out, right? That value area on Nasdaq is very close to half back and also very close to the end of the month low. So if that happens, more likely that it may have some extension rather to the upside towards that too wide high there, towards the 20,080. Let's take a long here. The stop is closing the distribution. The market comes back and close that distribution. That's an out. Both markets had weakness in the upper side, right? Both. This Nasdaq very questionable. This high is also very questionable, right? Exactly to the tick, exactly like this overnight high. This is having upside continuation. Right? Gold also having upside continuation here. Now the potential scenarios are trending day to day, or some short covering. Some short covering that may be going on, might be going on now. There's no way to know that. There's no way to know that. And in advance, right? If the market starts a range here, it starts trading sideways, that would be an indication of short cover. Now the difference, what we had previously was these big ranges, right? and the long liquidation prints a big range, and the next day we have a short covering that prints a big range also, almost the same size as the previous day range. Now, uh, can that happen again? Can that keep happening? Is the question. Okay, okay. I can't stand losing you again, again. Really slow, man. So quite an interesting day today. Now, the mindset of the shortest time frame traders can be today's selling. And the reason why is that is because of the break we have yesterday. They might be selling today. A bigger time frames can be buying into that selling. The next question here is that overnight has been rebalance. You know, Nasdaq has taken Nasdaq has been has been corrected as well. Has took just value high, just for a couple ticks. POC here. Some of the other markets are going. They were in sync. Kind of like it's getting a little bit longer. We have an inside buy in the 5 minutes, very wide inside buy. Yep, breakout to the upside. If there is a now check value is inside now. There might be a break, a little break that can be bought. Maybe it's bought here. Oh ho ho ho! Check this out. This is in the daily time frame. Look at this this histogram here. Notice how this volume and price here. Huh. Market still has a lot of volume here. Nasdaq has something here, and after that it has nothing there. Nasdaq has some significant volume here. Is this the laggard part of the day? Who knows? All right. It is 10:45. Unless you have any questions, I will be calling it a day. I wish you people a wonderful rest, a wonderful trading day. Right? Stay safe. See you.